everyone, welcome to my YouTube farm. Oh, Baru! I reached Berlin early in the morning, guys, by Flixbus. Now I have to take a tram to the city center. One thing I loved in the Europe is Flixbus. This is very cheap compared to trains. You can travel to different cities comfortably with just a few euros. Overall, I love the city, man. I think it's a bit underrated given the hype to the other European cities like Paris or London. Berlin is awesome. I was awestruck, man.
Just now I got into tram, guys. Chalo, we'll go to now Central Railway Station.
The best thing I did was to start my sightseeing early in the morning, guys. You'll see why in few minutes.
You'll see many graffitis in Berlin city, guys.
This is the Berlin Central Railway Station. It's huge and beautiful, right? Our first stop is one of my favorites. That is
Charit Hospital.
very excited to visit this place. This is one of the best hospitals in the world. You can find documentary on this hospital in Netflix, guys. Just check it out. I hope I'll work here one day.
Just now I came out of Central Railway Station, guys. Now we'll go to Charit Hospital.
The security there didn't allow filming in the campus premises. Unfortunately, the security made us to delete the footage, what I filmed. And I just got one footage of the Medicine Historical Museum of Charit. That too was under renovation. Many great scientists like Rudolf Virchow and Robert Koch works and pathological specimens are stored here from over 300 years. But unfortunately, it's closed. You can find electric scooters like the one I was riding here. You can unlock this with an app. It's around 20 cents per minute, I guess. These are very easy and are fun to ride. Let's explore this city with this bike. Now we are going to the iconic Reichstag building of Berlin. It's like Parliament to Germany. It's not like Indian Parliament. We can visit this building and even have a rooftop breakfast here. But you have to book well ahead of your trip, which I unfortunately didn't because of sudden plan. Did you notice something, guys? The famous Dawn 2 scene where Hrithik removes his mask and Priyanka chases Shah Rukh was shot here. And the actual chase was shot in Mesedam underpass, which I'll show you later in this video. Then I had a traditional German breakfast before heading to other attractions. It was yum! Now we are going to Brandenburg Gate. This is the best and most visited attraction of Berlin. It was built in 18th century and was badly damaged in the World War. I was able to enjoy it peacefully as I came here early in the morning. Otherwise, it's usually very crowded. You can't even ride this bike and take a proper pictures. So the best time I would suggest is early in the morning. And then I reached the checkpoint Charlie. It's a checkpoint between the East and West Berlin during the Cold War period. I will keep the history short. So, after the World War II, West was controlled by USA and East by USSR. There used to be a big wall in between. Many people who tried to cross this wall were killed by armies on both the sides. This is a small remnant of the wall. Now I'll show you the actual checkpoint Charlie. Did you notice something? There's a line to take pictures here. You can also see many bicycle and bus tours in Berlin. It's always buzzing with tourists. You know what? There are a lot of collectible shops here, especially fridge magnets and photos. Wow, I love collecting them. Woohoo! Now we are at the Berlin Mall. This is a top class mall and the best place for shopaholics. Of course, only if you're filthy rich. For sure, one day I'll shop like crazy here. Then I found an interesting Belgian place which had handmade ice creams. It's delicious and pricey, but it's worth the price. And finally, I ended my day with Mesedam Underpass. You might be wondering what's so interesting about this place. I'll tell you. Many movies were shot here, like Captain America, Hunger Games, including the Dawn to Chasing scene, which I mentioned it earlier. How can we forget Shah Rukh saying the famous dialogue before the chasing scene? Dawn ko pakarna mushkil hi nahi. Yes, now I would like to give shout out. First one, Ramavat Vikas. Second, Parimala Vijay Bharadwaj. Thank you so much, guys, once again for joining my fam. People who subscribe to my channel newly, just comment down in the comment section at the rate of O Baru New Fam. That's all for today. I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, just don't forget to give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my updates. See you again in my part 2 Berlin video, guys. Bye.